Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add voice memo on KineMaster. Adding a voice memo or recording a voiceover directly on KineMaster allows you to narrate or add commentary to your video. So the first thing to do is to open up your KineMaster application and start up a new project or open up an existing one. Here I already have a project started on my timeline. Once you go ahead and import a project you want to work on or where you want to add a voice memo, go ahead and tap on the record option at the top right corner. Now go ahead and tap on start and record your voice memo. Make sure you record your voice memo while this recording title is enabled at the top right. If you want to stop your voice memo from recording, tap on the stop button on the right, and that way you will be able to create a voice memo for your project. You can go ahead and drag the voice memo and place it where you want it to start on your timeline according to your preference. Right after you do that, you can now export your project by clicking on the export button with the arrow at the top right. Select one of the export settings and tap on save as video in order to save your video clip with voice memo onto your device's gallery. So that's how you create voice memo on KineMaster. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.